do you resize the wallpaper on your Android phone? Let me show it to you practically and step by step. So if it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So when you go to the home screen and hold it down on it, you definitely should be able to see the wallpaper and style selector. So just click there and you can go to the wallpaper section. So I'm going to click on change wallpaper. And the point is that if you are using an image from your gallery, like I'm going to do right now, so I'm going to choose something which I might have saved, some random image, right, of this phone, for example. You can see that when I click on it, I choose where it's going to apply. So let's say only the home screen. And when I get to this selector, I have the ability to resize it. So I can zoom in, I can move it around, right, and so on. It depends on the image. If it's in the horizontal size or orientation, you would be able to have much more room to move it around. For vertical images, you can see we can only kind of like zoom in and resize it this way, but it still is really nice because we have the ability to change that. There are also the frame options, right? Like you can put things into the different frames and so on. So I guess that is something you can check out, right? And yeah, you can also play around with the effects, but effects basically just means that you add some color theme on top of it. But yeah, that's how you can resize the wallpapers. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it and make that work. Of course, as I said, different images might have different ways to show that. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if it works out for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.